The biceps hammer curl is a simple exercise, and yet I see it done wrong in the gym all the time. So make sure you avoid these common mistakes that I see all the time. Mistake number 1, pressing the elbows into your sides. Somewhere along the line, somebody told somebody to keep their elbows pressed into their sides. Well, what that does is it automatically tightens your shoulders and your chest, transferring the tension to the wrong body parts. So for the curl, either seated or standing works. Seated helps you focus a little more on just the movement rather than anything else. So it's a great way for beginners to start. You'll have your dumbbells in each hand facing each other. Start at the bottom by your side. Once the dumbbells are there, you'll set the posture of the shoulders back and down. You'll elevate your chest and sit nice and tall. Keep your elbows back and your shoulder blades pinched. And this is the secret nobody tells you. This position forces your biceps to do the work, not the shoulders. Mistake number 2, bringing the dumbbells over the shoulder. That shifts the stress to the front of the shoulders. Your elbows need to stay back. This is not where you want the elbow to be. As you curl those dumbbells up to your biceps, it'll appear like they're coming to your shoulders, but your shoulders must stay back. Shoulder blades stay squeezed the entire time. That keeps your elbows back so that you don't use your shoulders and you only use the biceps. This is why I stress that you keep those elbows back and the shoulder blades pinched. That way the dumbbell can only come up to your bicep and work correctly. Mistake number 3, starting one arm before the other one finishes, like you're running a race. Focus on one side at a time if you're alternating the arms. Finish one side before you begin the other. That enables you to keep those shoulder blades tight in the right spot and keep those elbows back and not get sloppy. Because as you know, sloppy reps aren't going to get you results. Number 4, controlling the movement. The last cue is lowering slowly back to where you started, but keeping that tension in the biceps and of course keeping that posture with those shoulder blades pinched. If you cannot maintain perfect form, then your set is done. You are using your upper forearms and your biceps and your grip strength. You should feel all of it, but you shouldn't feel your shoulders. If you do feel your shoulders, then you've lost your posture and your set is done. Remember, the quality of reps is the deciding factor for change, not the number of repetitions.